Hello, everyone. I learned English for a long time, really a long time. Now, I don't say I learn English. I say English and we have a problem. Sometimes English is very nice to me. I watch videos. I understand everything. I feel smart. I feel very good. Then someone asks me one simple question, and suddenly I feel like a beginner. The problem is not understanding. I understand. The problem is answering. When I find the words, oh, the conversation is finished. Now I have good answer, but it is too late. And sometimes I find the words, good sentence. But I think too much. Is it correct? Is it wrong? So I think again and again, and in real life, I say nothing. And when I finally speak, everything is wrong. Grammar is wrong, words are wrong, pronunciation is wrong, all together. Even I don't understand what I say. Now we are both confused. And they are still waiting. They look at me and say, "Go on." Go on where? I am lost. I am still in the first sentence. And after all this, I go home, and suddenly I speak perfect English. Full sentences, no mistakes, I sound very good, but only to myself. Next time, I will be ready. Oh, at home.